Two sound waves originating from the same source of frequency 400 Hz travel along different paths in air and then meet at a point. If one path is 1.71 meter longer than the other and the speed of sound in air is 342 meter per second, what will be the nature of interference? Path difference is given 1.71 meter, that is. So phase difference can be calculated using the formula. Phase difference is equal to 2 pi by lambda times path difference. Lambda is speed divided by frequency. Rest is about putting the numbers and calculating. One thing to notice here is that 342 is divisible by 171. Phase difference comes out to be 4 pi, which is an even multiple of pi and which in turn means constructive interference.